Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see like how we create report in Power BI. We will see like basic things like for creating a sample report like financial report management, and then next tutorial we will see like how we can publish that report on the like online, so all the management people can see or download that report. So in this tutorial we will create a sample report. So let's go to the Power BI desktop application. So we are going to create a report which looks similar to this one. So like for creating this report, basically all the things we already have gone through in the previous tutorial, like what things we are using, like this is the splitter and this is the like line chart, and like these are the pie chart, donut chart, and this is a gag tables and all these things, like these are the numbers. So all these things we have already used in the previous tutorial. Like we have already covered all the basic visualization in the Power BI. So this report is basically sum of all those visualization which we have seen in the previous tutorial. So this report is basically look like a dashboard, but it's not a dashboard. That dashboard we will see in the coming tutorial. So like here this is a splitter, like what we have designed in such a way, like if I will select April, so based on that April it will show the data, like how much is the profit, how much is the sale price for this April, and how much like profit by product and sales price by product and all these things. So based on the country how much is the things, and are we are we catching the target profit or not. So based on that, like if I will select April and August, then what all are the information. So all these things like for kind of a information if we required in our report, then such kind of report we generate, and we have given as a name for this one like financial report management. So let's see like how we can create this one in a fast way, because basic things we have already covered. Then in the coming tutorial we will see like how we can publish that report on the browser, or we can say like this Power BI service, how we will do that. So let's go to that. So in this page, like what I will do on this background color, I will change. So I will change the background color. So this is the background color I have selected, and let's give the transparency this much. And now like what we want to make here, the things like let's take the splitter, and splitter I'm going to design here, and on what, based on the month name I'm going to create this splitter. So let's create this splitter based on the month, and let's give the some formation to this one. So what I'm going to give, like selection control, like if we want like something, if we have for this radio button kind of like only one selection, then we can on it, so it will be turned into the radio button. But we want a checkbox because for the multiple month we can see the data, and like we want to like disable this one, like no need to select for multiple, like control keyword is not required. So that is the one thing. And like if you want to give from here some data, then we can give like orientation vertical or horizontal. We want as a vertical only. In the items, if what the color we want, so let it be like for the item that color is fine, and let's give the background color. So background color I will give the same only. So we will see the data in this way, and let's make the transparency in this manner. And like for the items, if we want to change, we can give the white for the items, and it's not looking that much good. So we can give something else, let's give the black only. So in this way it will look like this. And if we want to change this month name, like if we want to change the increase the size for the title, we can like if you want to give the title, we can give the title as well, but as of now let it be. Now what I will do, I will take the table here, let's take the table, and in this table what I want to show the data, I want to see based on the country name, and I want to see what is the profit by country name and what is the sales price for that country name. So all this information I will see in this country, and let take it in this way. So it will get more space here, And like we can do some formatting over this also, like what the column header, if you want to change the color. So let's change the color to something like it look good. And if for the back like grid, if we want to some color, and let's give the background color to this, so it will look in this way. Let's give some transparency, so we'll get the data. And apart from this, if something we want, we can give. And now let's take some pie chart and the donut chart. So this pie chart, I want to show the data based on the like segment if we want to give, and based on the segment what is the like sales. Let's take the profit, and now let's remove the legends, so we'll get the more space. So let's turn off this, and now and give the background color to this one also. So let's give the background color, so it will look in this way. And let's give the some transparency. And apart from this, let's take minimize this also, so we will see some more data here. And with this, let's take the donut chart also. Okay, we have to click outside, then we will take the donut chart. And in this donut chart, let's take based on the product and what is the profit, and remove the legend for this as well. Let's remove this legend and give some background color. So same color I'm going to give, so it will look something good. And give the transparency, and let's take this to in this manner, and let's increase little bit side to this one. And let's take it to this side and reduce size of this pie chart and give size to this one. Let's give, so it is looking more good. Yeah. And now if we want to like increase the headers of this, we can increase like the title profit by segment. So we can increase the size of, like in the middle I want, and if I want to increase the size something like 20, we can increase. Same we can do for this also. So let's like in middle, and if I want to increase the size, we can do in that way. So that's the first step, like we have done. Now let's take some data for like I want to show the, I will take the Gantt chart, like I want to see like how much is the profit. So basically let's take the profit here, and let's do it properly so it will be visible as we needed. And we will take the target profit also. So let's take the target profit here. So that target profit is this, and give some formatting to this as well. So let's give the formatting. I will give the background color is same only, so it look good a little. And the title, if you want to increase, like if you want in middle and want to increase the like size. And apart from this, we can take either this stack area chart or like line chart. So let's I'm going to take this stack area chart, and what I'm going to do here, let's design in this way. Let's take it in this way, and I'm going to take some information here, like based on the product and what is the profit, and with this profit what is the sales price. So we can see in that way, or if you want the legend in the sales price, then we can do it here also. So in this way it will look like this one. And apart from this, what I will do, I will take one text box, and the text box I will write like financial report management. And we can like let's give the correct spelling, and like for this also we can give the background color. So let's give the background color, like in the middle we want the data, and we can give background color is same only, so it will look much good to us. And apart from this, like let's take let give the transparency to this one. And what I'm going to take here, I'm going to take the cards. So why I'm going to take the cards? So basically to looking the numbers, like the how much is the profit and how much is the sales price. So for this also, let's give the background color, and background color is similar I'm going to give, and I'm going to give the transparency. And like if you want to change the color, we can do that. Color also we can change, like if you want to show the data in the white, and similar I want to show the card for the sales price also. So let's take the sales price and give the background color to this as well. Let's give the and give the transparency. So in this way it will look like this. So our financial report management, it's looking good as expected. Now suppose I want to see the information for the April, like how much is the profit, sales price, and based on the respective information. So when I click on this April, based on that we are getting the information. So like here we can reduce this also, and like April and August, how much is the information we are getting. So based on that it is reflecting the data, and same we are getting for the December and September if we want some information. And if we remove all these things, and for the September only I want, so based on that it will show the data. So this is basically nothing but all the charts and everything we have already seen in our previous tutorial, like for which purpose we use the specific visualization tool in our report or the dashboard when we are going to work with the Power BI desktop application. So that's it for this tutorial. Like in the coming tutorial we will see like how we can publish this particular report on the this Power BI service, that we will see. So let's get rid of this also. Like so we are in the same step in the, so we can make anything. And like if you feel like we should do formatting or something, color or anything, if we need changes, obviously we can do. Like for every that visualization have their format, like this pen here, you can go and give the respective the formation you want to look it better. So that's it for all this tutorial. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.